lines and angles. Types of angles: complementary angles, supplementary angles, linear pairs, vertically opposite angles, adjacent angles. Now, let us study some more types of angle which are usually used in geometry. Complementary angles. This straight light pole is perpendicular to ground. We can easily access that the pole is making an angle of 90 degrees with the ground. Now, let us divide this 90-degree angle into two parts. These two angles are called complement of each other. The sum of measures of these complementary angle is always 90 degree. When the sum of the measure of two angles is 90 degree, the angles are called complementary angles. The measure of angles PQR and angle XYZ are 35 degree and 55 degree respectively, and their sum is 90 degree. Supplementary angles. These are two angles of measure 100 degree and 80 degree. The sum of measure of these two angles is 180 degree. If the sum of measures of two angles is 180 degrees, then we called one angle is supplement of other angle. These two angles are supplementary. Linear pair. Are you observing the seashore and the coconut trees? These coconut trees are making some angle with seashore plane. Now, consider seashore as straight line and this tree as a ray. From this point of view, it will be a straight angle. And this tree divides straight angle into two angles, angle A and angle B. Each of these two divided angles is called as angle of linear pair. When linear pair formed, if one of them is acute angle, other will be obtuse angle. Two right angles can form linear pair. Two acute angles cannot form a linear pair. One of the angle must be obtuse angle. Two obtuse angles cannot form a linear pair. One of the angle must be acute angle. Vertically opposite angles. Abha and Ashwin are watching rockets in the sky. Wow! It's so fun to watch them. Hey, look Ashwin, rockets crossed their path at one point. These paths are just like two intersected lines which makes some angles with each other. Angle A is opposite to angle B and angle M is opposite to angle N. Each opposite pair of angle is called vertically opposite angles. Adjacent angle. Ashwin says, Abha, observe this, what I am doing. Yes, Ashwin. Now Ashwin says, I have opened this cover page of book and hold just like this. This cover page making some angle with remaining part of the book. Yeah. Ashwin says, now, if I lift this page, we can observe that there are two angles formed. These two angles are two parts of previous original angle formed by this page. Abha says, yes, Ashwin. Both angles have a common vertex, a common arm, but different interior points. We called such pair of angles as adjacent angles. Summary. If sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree, the angles are complement of each other. If sum of measure of two angles is 180 degree, the angles are supplement of each other. The pair of angles formed by a ray with a line is called linear pair. The sum of linear pair is always 180 degree. The vertically opposite angles are formed by lines crossed each other. A pair of adjacent angle is two angles have a common vertex, a common arm, but different interior points. So that is all about this topic. We will see pair of lines in our next topic.